Okay, looks good. One way. At work, living in the factory, whatever it is. Now, where's that office? It's straight ahead, boy. Well, I know what he's doing. He's playing on the railroad tracks. You see it? You see the truck down there with little wheels that are got him on the railroad tracks? Now he can't get across because of the traffic. There used to be a depot building there to the left where you see the cement before the rusted roof down there. Okay. I'm going slow so you can see. There's nobody behind me. You see the little wheels? Norfolk Southern. That's what it says on the truck. Norfolk Southern. He's checking the tracks. He's looking for gaps and stuff like that. Yeah, safety check. Steve A before y'all. Just being nosy. Saying see you in 73.